Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and this is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video I am going to share my review and my thoughts on Rare Beauty, and this was like a dream come true to buy these products. Well, recently I moved from India to US, and when I was in India I watched so many reels and video all over Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Selena Gomez new Stay Vulnerable collection, and I was eager to buy. I was like, when will I reach US and the first thing I'm gonna buy is the Rare Beauty collection, the Vulnerable one. Before that one I couldn't buy, I was not available. But in 2021 the first makeup product which I bought was this from Sephora in Philadelphia. Now this is the one which I recently bought, all three from the same shade range. This is Melting Mauve, if I am not wrong, sorry, it's Nearly Neutral, that's the name of the shade. So I have the lip balm, the eyeshadow Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow Nearly Neutral, and the Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush Nearly Mauve, and Nearly Neutral is the lip balm as well. So Nearly Neutral, the lip balm and the eyeshadow, that's the name of the shade, and the balm name of the shade is Nearly Mauve. So I'm gonna swatch this right now in for you guys. Right now I have not even done any skincare, so this collection gives you that natural look, that glow on your face, as well as it's like kind of no makeup look. So if some days like you don't want to wear any dark shades, dark lipstick, you just want to stay who you are, that's what the range all about. Only is that now since this is pandemic time, we all are wearing mask. So the lip gloss, this is a lip balm which I would not recommend to wear when you're traveling or you're outside, but definitely when you're inside or you're with your family and you want to wear some gloss or balm, this is amazing. So this is not good for your mask because this is definitely going to stick on your mask and it's going to ruin. So I tried that, my bad. But yes, you can wear it during when you're inside your house or with your friends and family and you're not wearing mask. So let's start with my tutorial. One by one I will share my review as well. So I'm just doing my skin prep. I just did my face wash and I am just moisturizing my face here with the Snail Mucus Healing. I have this emulsion with me. So this is one of my favorite brand. I bought this last year and I also have a detailed review. It's a whole bottle, just like half is left, only the packaging is quite different. I have a mirror in front of me. I'm looking over here. Okay, so let me know how is your climate at your place. If you're from US, let me know how is the climate, because your past 2 days it's horrible. No storm was there. That is the first time in my life I have experienced a snowfall, but this was a snowstorm, and my hands, everything has become so rough. It's first time experience for me. I've never seen such snowfall. Here it's become like super dry, so I keep on applying moisturizer every half an hour. So first thing I'm gonna use is let's try with the eyeshadow. So this is this eyeshadow I have here is Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow Nearly Neutral, and this was priced for $20. I got this from Sephora. So it comes in this size and it's neutral shade, obviously the name says that all, and that's the wand. It's like transparent glass wand, and it has this shape like this slant shape, if you guys can see. Okay, so I'm applying it. You just need to apply one eye at a time. So I'm using my fingers. You don't need a brush as well. So it's like You can just carry this in your pouch or wallet or sling bag whenever you want to get ready for a movie or date. Just carry these three and you're sorted. So the texture looks creamy, but as soon as you apply, it turns into powdery. Even the blush is the same texture. So it just dries out so quickly, and I would not say like a matte. A matte makes it super thick and dry, you know, the texture, but this is easily you can apply, and this looks like a powdery, just like an eyeshadow you apply. Can you see? It looks so beautiful. Just gives that lovely neutral shade eyeshadow. And the same, let me see if there is any smell. No, there is no fragrance at all. And I really love the packaging. It's flat on one side and then it's like a D. It's like a D shape. So even if you keep it on your, dressing table, it is not going to roll and fall off. You can just leave it as it is and it will be there. So really love the packaging. You can also, keep it standing like this on your table. You can keep it flat, good for clicking pictures. That's what even the gloss packaging is same, flat on one side, and the wand is not steeping like this. It's like a teardrop kind of wand, and this does have slight plum, what you can say, chocolate or cocoa kind of fragrance, very mild. Gloss, obviously this is a lip balm, so this does not turn into powder or matte. It remains, gives that shine. And obviously this is just one dip application, but I'm just dipping another time because I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Can you see? It's so nicely, you can apply it. It's very easy to apply. And this was the blush. Blush was priced for, this was a lip balm. This was for $18. Eyeshadow was for $20 and the blush was for $21. And now let's come to the blush. I just love the packaging. Can you see that? It's so cute, just like a pebble. You can just keep it like those pebbles which you just keep it on display on the table or inside the fish tank. This looks so cute and so luxurious. And just look at this, guys. Such a pretty color. This is nearly mauve. Yeah, this is nearly mauve for $21. This definitely looks like a cream, but as soon as you apply, it turns into powder. And you really don't need a brush to apply. You just need your fingers and it's good to go, guys. You just look so natural. So you just need your fingers for your eyeshadow as well as your blush. Yeah, there is no fragrance. I just found slight fragrance in the lip balm, but nothing on the eyeshadow or the blush. So just apply it like this and go. So when you smile, you blush here. This turns pink, this turns pink. So you can just your face very well. So just apply it on your nose, on your apples of your cheeks, little bit on your forehead. Whatever is remaining on your fingers, just apply it on your forehead and nose, chin. That's all, and that gives such a pretty blush face, natural face. So I'll just click a picture and I'll add it in the video here. Okay, so pictures are done. I will be adding all 3 pictures in this video, so I hope you guys like my review. If you want to buy, if I find any links of Sephora, I will definitely share the link in my description box for your reference. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It will really mean a lot and it will help my channel grow as well, and YouTube will promote this video to others as well. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. It will really mean the world to me. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, where I share amazing stories every day, guys. So follow me there as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed with me till the end, thank you once again. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.